As you may not know, chocolate is originated in Mexico and it was used as a drink for the gods and the highest priest of the Aztecs. We have different kinds of chocolates and I'm going to run it by you. We have the run-of-the-mill like an Hershey here in the United States. You can find it everywhere and it's affordable and it's what you will drink every day. Next, we go to the one from Oaxaca, which has a little bit more cacao than sugar, and you can find it in a more upscale supermarkets. Then we have the chocolate that is only you can buy at the market, not supermarket, but market in Oaxaca. And you can see that is made of like little stones, so you can dissolve it in your hot milk. And the last one, it is a custom-made chocolate where you decide what to put in your chocolate. You need to find a mill in order to do that. To make our hot Mexican chocolate, and we always use full milk. It's not good for the diet, but that's what we use. And we are going to put it to heat and let it simmer slowly. We are making 4 cups. I'm measuring the 4 cups of whole milk and I'm adding it to my pot. Okay, you're going to put it in a medium heat because you don't want to scorch your milk, and you don't put the chocolate until the milk is barely simmering, not before. Okay, I am weighing the chocolate just to give you an idea how much to put, but as everything is according to your taste. Let's say that we are going to put about 1 ounce of chocolate per cup. So I'm putting 1 and then I'm going to add the other 3. You have to wait until your milk is hot to put the chocolate. If you put your chocolate at the beginning, what you're going to do is that you're going to burn your chocolate and it's going to taste not good at all. We are using 4 cups of milk. I'm going to use 4 ounces of our chocolate. You have to keep on moving your chocolate because you don't want it to get burned at the bottom of the pan. Of course, if you are a super chocolatey person, you add more, but it's according to taste. As I'm stirring the chocolate right now, let me tell you a little bit about the story of the chocolate. In the Aztec times, they used their chocolate with water, and sometimes they add a little bit of chile. In Mexico, we have lots of variety of chile. The milk came with the Spaniards because they were the ones that brought the cattle in. And when the Spaniards took the cacao beans back to Europe, in Switzerland and Belgium, they continue experimenting with them and started to add the sugar and the milk. And they serve it to the courts in Europe. It's said, which I don't know if it's a fact or not, that the French courts absolutely love the hot chocolate from the New Americas. Now that our chocolate has been dissolved with the milk, we are ready to enjoy our chocolate. Traditionally in Mexico, you use this device that is called molinillo. And when I was little at home, the lady in the kitchen used to use a clay pot to do this. And they did this movement in order to aerate the mixture and have a little foam on the top. So you need to have a very good muscle in order to do that. Fortunately for us, we have a trick now. If you put this in the blender, it's going to get a magnificent foam that you are going to enjoy with your hot chocolate. But this is the way traditional hot chocolate was made when I was a kid. I'm not very good with the molinillo. I'm going to cheat and I'm going to put it in the blender. Remember, in order to prevent the explosion that we are waiting, I'm going to leave this vent open, and I'm going to put a kitchen towel so I don't let it blow all over, explode. So look at that, the foam that we obtained with the mixer, and there you have it. A nice hot Mexican chocolate for those winter nights that you are cold and want to be cozy at home.